Getting pregnant with Sam was not easy. I'd actually had 2 miscarriages before him. It took 4 total years, I think. We treated it very much with kid gloves as a high risk. I'm Melissa Harris, and this is my story. I was 23 weeks and 4 days pregnant.
Melissa called me at work and told me that she was going to Alta Bates and says, of course, not to panic, but it became pretty clear that this might be something real, that she might actually be going into labor, but it was too soon.
And I was contracting basically every 2 minutes at that point. Then suddenly the tech got real quiet and stopped talking. I was dilated to 4 centimeters and the gestational sac was coming out.
They put her into, I believe the term is Trendelenburg. They put her head lower than her feet. But we're still both just really hoping to keep this baby inside for as long as possible.
We checked in on a Friday and they said your goal is Tuesday, because that was when he hit 24 weeks. And his survival chances were much better at that point. And just sheer will basically kept me going. Tamra, who was one of my favorite nurses in L&D, just did a wonderful job of calming me down and telling me that, look, you need to hold this baby in.
I do remember holding her hand, just making sure that she was trying not to allow her thoughts to get too misdirected. I was right by her side the whole time.
Sam was born at 1 pound, 12 ounces.
I remember that Dr. Wharton saying, it's a boy, and then we could hear this squeak.
He was beautiful, and we just looked at him and said, this is our son, and he's made it. I was only later, in retrospect, looking at photos that I would realize that he was so small.
So he spent 95 days in the NICU total.
He was born at just under 25 weeks. For as early as he was born, he's a success story. I don't know so much if I influenced Sam so much as I influenced his parents a little bit in guiding them through the what-ifs.
Honestly, he's a superhero. My favorite thing to dress him up in is a Superman shirt, because it's like, he can do anything.
Sam's fat and happy now. He's in great shape.
Sutter Health and Alta Bates, without question, saved the life of my son, and I will never be able to thank the doctors and nurses and staff at that hospital enough for everything that they've done for us. I'm Melissa, and that's my story.